Hey there, quick review on this Humane mousetrap. This is a catch and release mousetrap. As you can see, I've got my little fake mouse in here. I'll show you how this works. This kit comes in a 4-pack that I purchased here. It's really easy to use and works very well. Both ends of this mousetrap open up. Over here on this end, it is spring loaded. On the other end over here, you simply lift off the back end. Now, setting the trap is super easy. You don't have to worry about anything snapping your fingers or anything like that. The lid simply slides down and catches on this little clip right here. Whenever the mouse ventures up here onto the pressure plate, it'll lift that little notch and the whole thing will lift up and the mouse will be inside. To bait the trap, it's really simple. You'll just pop this back side off and put a little peanut butter or cheese on the back side of the pressure plate here. You can see that the pressure plate works like so. Set it, and then the weight of the mouse here sets it so that the mouse is then trapped inside. So your bait will be down here on this end. Leave the door open, mouse enters in, and as you can see, the weight of the mouse will set the lid, and then he is locked inside the trap. Now, when you're ready to release the mouse, they do include this device here to help kind of push the mouse out. You could also just shake it out just fine as well. But you'll lift the end off of the trap. You can keep it tilted up if that's a little bit easier, and then just simply tilt it down and the mouse will fall out, or you can push down on the door here and push things out as well. Overall, this is a really nice catch and release Humane mousetrap. It's very easy to set. You don't have to worry about it hurting your fingers or anything whenever you set it. And it works really well, as you can see. So I'd recommend it. Really nice design and easy to use.